Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Ducati Multistrada V4 S. The Gen 4 Multistrada gets a complete revamp with no bolt left untouched. It's hard to believe the Ducati Multistrada has been around for nearly 2 decades now. Starting out with the 1000 DS in 2003, the Multistrada has always hung out in that intersection between sport, touring and adventure bike worlds through its many iterations. The popularity of the Multistrada is a testament to the many riders who appreciate its advanced tech, incredible performance and alluring Italian design. But its days of being typecast as just an upright sport bike may be over after the release of the all-new 2021 Ducati Multistrada V4 S. The new V4 S model now also comes in both cast wheel and tubeless, spoke wheel models. There is also a standard version of the V4, which comes with cast wheels and a reduced feature set, available only by special order. Then there is the top-of-the-line Multistrada V4 S Sport, which comes with cast wheels, all of the advanced equipment of the V4 S, plus a unique livery and carbon fiber goodies. The Multistrada V4 also marks the launch of the first production motorcycle featuring front and rear radar technology. One of the most notable changes for 2021 is the switch from a 1260cc V-Twin to an 1158cc V4 powerplant. If the idea was to make the Multistrada a better off-roader, adding more cylinders seems like a turn in the wrong direction. But the new V4 Granturismo engine is actually more compact and lighter than the Testastretta DVT V-Twin it replaces. In fact, the new motor measures 3.3 inches less front to rear, is 3.7 inches shorter and weighs 2.6 pounds less. The Multistrada V4 switches from the previous steel trellis frame to an aluminum monocoque design. The new monocoque frame is said to be more compact and offers better fine-tuning of the design. Fuel capacity was increased from 5.3 gallons to 5.8 gallons to help extend range, and a new windscreen, along with side deflectors, have gone through extensive wind tunnel testing for a significant reduction in wind noise. Although the new Multistrada V4 S still clings to the sporty side, Ducati did manage to improve its long-range touring comfort and convenience, along with its off-road prowess significantly. Plus the whole package is underpinned by a more resilient engine with adrenaline pumping power that is easier to manage. The Multistrada V4 S is a machine for the sport touring-leaning adventure rider that values eye-popping street performance, yet wants the option of being able to explore typical big bike trails with confidence. The latest iteration is more well-rounded, easier to manage, and yes, even more practical. Now more than ever, it's a bike that lives up to its Multistrada moniker.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.